Hi, thanks for joining us. My name is Dave Giampietra with the Siemon Company Technical Services, and in this video I'll be covering the features and functions of our 4-pair UltraMAX impact tool. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so here we have the 4-pair UltraMAX impact tool. So this is a huge time saver over the typical single position 110 tool like this guy. So this will seat and cut all 4 pairs in one shot. So let me show you how that works. Just make sure the cutting head is oriented properly, cutting side on the loose end of the conductors, of course. And just be careful, this is a 50 kilogram impact, so you don't want to be testing on the palm of your hand or anything. So let me show you how this works. Seat your head, make sure that's seated properly. You don't want to be like half a pair off, so make sure that's seated exactly right. And keep everything perpendicular. So you can cheat and tilt toward the blade side a little bit, that might help, but it's important to stay as perpendicular as you can, because if you're tilted left or right, it's going to cut one side more than the other. So perpendicular, keep that head seated properly. Let me show you how this works here. So sometimes you'll have to give it 2 shots, and the conductor should fall right off like that. So let me show you one other tip on the end post here. If you have a 6-inch rail, sometimes the back rail of the rack can be a little bit of a hindrance on the tool handle. So the nice feature with this is you can rotate this tool handle. So you'll notice there's a narrow end and a kind of a fatter end. So if you rotate it so the narrow side is vertical, that will give yourself a little bit more clearance. Again, make sure your head is seated properly. So rotate your handle so it's vertical, and then you should have a little bit more clearance to punch this guy here. And there you go. Okay, so once you're finished with your terminations, this blade is pretty sharp, so there is a feature where you can remove the head here, like so, and it will unlock the blade assembly. So once you pull the body of the tool out, there's a little spring-loaded ball bearing in there that prevents the blade from sliding in and out. So now you can slide this guy like so, take the blade, flip it over, so now it's protected, put it back into the head here. So now the blade is protected, and you can use this position for your storage of the tool. For more information on the UltraMAX product line, visit Siemon.com. Thanks for joining us.